This Mash Bite will explore the science tools and resources available within Purple Mash to engage and inspire learners and promote progress in all age groups, whilst also demonstrating the content available to you as a science subject lead to help effectively develop the subject at your school. Within Purple Mash, you can explore the primary science curriculum content area from the main homepage. In here, you will find an extensive selection of high-quality science videos, activities, quizzes and games, organised into tools, topics and MashCams, which allow children to role-play and engage with scientific-based jobs and roles. There are also plenty of offline, printable activities available to utilise too. Within each topic, the activities are organised for you to explore. As with most Purple Mash resources, these activities can be adapted to suit the level of challenge for your learners. Helpful inbuilt video tutorials will inform you of ways to edit and tailor the activity to your bespoke requirements. This is particularly useful for adapting the level of challenge to suit the different ability groups within your class. The to-do setting process allows you to easily set the different activities to individuals or groups within your class. There are science resources within our Dorling Kindersley reading area. You will find not only the excellent graphic content with key explanations and terminology these books contain, but they all come with quizzes, activities and resources that help scaffold the children's understanding for each text they've read. Again, these activities can then be used with the whole class or different groups that you have access to. A great way of being able to easily assess children's understanding of science are the self-marking quizzes, where results are stored and visible for you via the data dashboard, which provides you with a quick and insightful way to track progress and identify areas for further practice. In addition to this, all the children's science work can be easily viewed within their work folders, allowing you to mark, print, assess and monitor children's work at any time. Looking now in the Teachers Planning area, you will find we have mapped our resources to the England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland curriculums, so you can see how the resources in Purple Mash link to your country's objectives for science. You can select the year, level and strand to see the suggested resources for each objective. Looking now at the Science Tools area, there are a range of tools to help develop understanding and application of key skills, like Into Question, where children can classify scientific characteristics using a branching database. Sorting data using To Investigate, which is an interactive and collaborative database, as well as using scientific inquiry skills by planning investigations using To Connect, and investigating the results and data of experiments using To Graph. Now, to see how Purple Mash can support you in your role as science lead, you'll find within the Teachers area there's a leadership resource space, where the Science Leader Toolkit provides you with an extensive collection of tools and resources, such as tips from science leads, action plan templates, science policy exemplars, and a self-evaluation form for you to assess the key areas of your leadership. You could also use the pupil voice and staff survey documents to help gain feedback from key stakeholders in your school. If you would like to discuss any of the contents of this Mash Bite, feel free to book a one-to-one chat with one of our CPD team. Click to book a Mash Chat via the Professional Development tab, and we'd love to support you and your staff in getting the most out of Purple Mash at your school.